Hello all my dear viewers, very warm welcome in my YouTube channel English Junction by JJ. Today I am going to explain you class 7th chapter 9, the big silver rupee question and answers, as this is the most awaited thing that you all want. I received so many messages regarding these all, but actually not getting a time to make, but sorry for the delay, and the next time I am try to make the videos as soon as I can. Okay, so now without wasting much time, just move towards the question and answer. This chapter comes under a theme of childhood comprehension A. Answer these questions. First question is, what did Gangadhar's fathers gave him? Why was he surprised? So the answer for this question is, Gangadhar's father gave him a big silver coin. He was surprised because in those days parents did not believe in spoiling their children by giving them money. So the next question is, how do we know that Gangadhar's fathers had given him money before? What did his mothers wants to do and why? What did Gangadhar wants to do with the money? So here you have to answer these three questions. I am just guiding you what you have to write in these answers. These are questions. In questions के लिए what the answers you have to write. But if the questions comes for a long answers type, then you have to expand. After knowing what you have to write, afterward you have to expand these answers by yourself. Okay. So the answer for this question is, Gangadhar's fathers used to give him an anna every day to buy some sweets during a lunch break at a school. His mother wanted to keep it safe in the almirah or buy a gold ring or a silver tumbler with it. Gangadhar wants to buy laddus, chocolates or bhelpuris with it. This is the answer for this question. Okay, so the next one is what happened when Gangadhar met with his friend Sadhu? Sadhu is a neighborhood friend. Okay, in this chapter explanation video I explain these all things. If you have any doubt, you can see the explanation video of this chapter again, then it will be clear. So now come back to this question. Answer for this question is, when Gangadhar met Sadhu and showed him the silver coin, Sadhu thought someone was a Sikh and his mother had given him the money for medicines. When Gangadhar took the coin out of his pocket to show it to Sadhu, the coin slipped out of his hand and rolled it towards the drain. If Sadhu had not pounced on it, he would surely have lost it. This is all the incident what had happened there. Okay, finally the next question. Again from a comprehension A, answer this question. Question number 4. Why did the two boys have a tough time? How did they get out of trouble every time? So the answer for this question is, the two boys wanted to buy some chewy sweets from the grocer's shop, but were scared that the grocers would not return the change. Later, when they wanted to buy something from Nana Mahendel's shop, it was tough because Nanaji looked at them doubtfully. They got out of trouble by answering all the questions truthfully. Okay, now the next question is, question number 5 is, what were the things that they ate? So here you have to write the descriptions of the things what they ate. They finally bought 2 paisas worth of chew sweets and some chocolates from an Iranian shop and 2 ice candies. Okay, the next question is from a comprehension B. It is a true and false. Make these sentences as a true. If it is true, then you have to write a T, or if it is not true, then you have to write a NT. So just in front of the sentences I wrote here NT. NT means not true, and true sentence is already given in your book, so I didn't written here. Again NT, so easily you can do it. Here instructions is also given. Rewrite these sentences that are not true in your notebook. Okay, so that's why the true sentence I am not written here. Only not true sentence जो है वही मैंने यहाँ लिखा हुआ है. So you can see the first one, NT means not true. Gangadhar's fathers earn 20 rupees a month. Just a minute. Yes, the first sentence is here. In your book it is written, Gangadhar's fathers earn 300 rupees a month. So here I just corrected and written this is a not true. First one, according to your book, the sentence is a not true. तो यहाँ पे कौन सा sentence true होगा? So just that sentence I am written here. Gangadhar's father earns 20 rupees a month. ये correct one है. Questions for this you have to see in your textbook. Okay, so second वाला भी not true है क्योंकि in your book it is written his mother told him that she would keep the money in the almirah so that she could buy him a silver tumbler. But actually his mother told him that she would keep the money in the almirah so that she could buy him a gold ring or a silver tumbler. So that is the correct one. Third is again not true. The not true sentence is in those days children was given money so that they could buy sweets for themselves and their friend. The correct one is इस sentence को correct कैसे करके जो correct sentence होगा वो मैंने यहाँ लिखा हुआ है. In those days children were not given money in the fear that they might spoil them. Fourth one is actually correct sentence in your book also, so I'm not written here. I wrote here T. Fifth one again not true है. So the sentence is जो not true वाला sentence है, that sentence is Shadhu and Gangadhar bought a 5 annas worth of sweets, but they receive only 2 paisa worth of the sweets. That's why I just corrected there. Sadhu and Gangadhar bought 2 paisas worth of sweets and then went to the Iranian shop to buy chocolates. They also bought 2 ice candies dipped in the 3 kinds of colored syrup. Here I just corrected what the correct sentence will be there. That I am written here. NT here I am written because this NT is for your book sentence. जो book में गलत sentence लिखा हुआ है जिसे आप rewrite करना है उसके लिए NT है. यहाँ जो मैंने sentence लिखा हुआ है वो correct है, correct करके लिखा हुआ है for you guys. Okay, now the next one is a think and answer. So many times you all message me, ma'am please think and answers का question दीजिए. You always written here free response. Yes, I wrote the free response in all the think and answers because think and answers question is for you all. You have to think what is your opinion. You have to write what you think. But still so many times you are confused. So just for an idea I just wrote here one line what you have to write here. The question is based on what you read. Means इस chapter में क्या पढ़ा. How valuable do you think a 1 rupee coin was in those days? What do you think in the equivalent amount today? So it was a very valuable. The answers you have to expand it. It could be the equivalent of 500 rupees. Okay. So next one is next question is grammar questions. Say whether the words in a color are a direct object or indirect object. So here the highlighted one word is word source. In your book it is also given the highlighted words. You have to say it is a direct or indirect object. So the first one is Miss Lata teaches us science. Us is a direct object. My schools has offered me a scholarship. Scholarship is again a direct object. Jatin owes her 20 rupees. Her is again an indirect object. She passes me the salt. The salt is a direct object. The principal told all of us a very interesting story. A very interesting story is an indirect object. And the sixth one, she gave the waiter 100 rupee note. Again the waiter is a direct object. This is the answer for your grammar part. Again the next grammar question is you have to identify the direct and indirect object in these sentences by writing a DO above the direct object and IO above the indirect object. तो मैं यहाँ पर उसके above नहीं लिखी हूँ, but I just written after completing the sentence. उसके आगे मैंने लिखा है कौन सा वर्ड जो है डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट में आएगा DO और कौन सा जो है IO में आएगा इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट में. सो आई थिंक इट विल बी इजियर फॉर यू गाइस. सो द फर्स्ट इज द क्रो cheer the batmans. The batmans जो है डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट होगा. सेकंड इज द elect Hamid the school captain. Hamid word will comes under a direct object. The police are questioning the witness. Witness comes under a direct object. That's why I written do. The jury gives Ramesh a special award. Ramesh comes under, यहाँ इस sentence में दोनों रहेगा. Ramesh is an indirect object IO and special award is a DO. The fifth one is the teacher gave him the responsibility of leading the team. The responsibility is a DO and him is a IO. The committee, sixth one, the committee awarded Arundhati Roy with the Booker Prize for the God of Small Things. The name of the book, Arundhati Roy, IO, Booker Prize, DO. Okay, the seventh one is her uncle gifted her with a mountain bicycle. Her is a IO, mountain bicycle is a DO. 8-1, they gave me a permission to write the exam at home. Me is a IO and permission is a DO. So here till grammar, your book exercise I'll given you. From vocabulary onwards is easy. You can do it by, even we discussed over on that part in a class also. So this is all question and answers of a chapter. So children, if you think it is a good video, you like it, then please like it, share it with your friends. Those who don't know this video's links and all, share it, subscribe it, comment it, and in a comment box write your valuable things, what you more things you want from me. Then I'll just if you want the question banks or worksheets, that whatever the things you want to be, please ask. Okay, write in a comment box. I'm trying to work on it. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Bye, take care, complete your work on a time.